Oh, I see the RT at the front. Yeah.
It's actually, it's funny how they did it, but actually it is an SRT. It's the SRT motor.
Yeah, wow, look at that.
So it's a bigger motor.
What'd you say the rating was on the horsepower and torque?
485.
485. What was the RPM there? About 6,000 RPM? 485. That's
Yeah.
still killing.
Yeah.
And the torque on this must be...
Still got over 500. I think the torque is 500.
Yeah, I believe, yeah, oh, easy. Yeah, wow. And this is an automatic?
Yeah, it's an 8-speed.
8-speed, eh? Okay. Wow, that's crazy. It looks good, man.
Yeah, I look after it. I mean, we use it. I've driven it to Daytona, and I've driven it to the East Coast.
Awesome, great. So many gears. I'm sure it gears it down to just the idle when you're on the highway, right? 1,500 RPM or whatever.
When I ran out the East Coast, when I first bought it, actually that's why we bought it, was to do some driving. So we went out to the East Coast, and it got roughly about 26 miles per gallon.
Holy cow! For the size of the motor, wow.
It only turns about 1,800 RPM.
At about a 120, I guess, eh? You could do 65, 70.
I mean, you put your foot, you turn everything off and put it in the race, because it's got all the computer in it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You can do the race mode and the launch control. I mean, it'll suck the gas, but if you treat it...
Got everything in it, yeah. Yeah, go easy, you're just cruising, right? Yeah. It'll, wow, that's incredible.
I'm ready for my second pair of tires.
How many kilometers you put on it so far?
It's got about almost 40.
40, eh? Yeah. And you've been to the south and coastline, BC, right? Wow. And it looks good. Is the suspension adjustable with a button?
No, not on this. Not that. If I wanted that, you would have gone up to the true SRT. And then, that's a funny thing. It's weird. Then they went crazy with all these models, and I'm not up on it all.
Yeah.
But the SRT has got the same suspension package as the Hellcat.
Oh, really?
The Hellcat is an SRT.
Okay.
But the bottom line SRT has this motor, and then you can get the Hellcat with a 707.
Wow. But this handles fine on the road. You can sail for hours without it all tripled out.
All the computer on it, it'll tell you your G's, and it'll tell you what you're pulling right to left.
Hey, that's great. And you can get your adrenaline rush or just
I'll scare the hell out of you.
Yeah.
Like if you turn everything off, you turn all the
all the accessories that are there, power, AC, whatever.
Traction control stuff.
Oh yeah? Oh really? Eh?
It's a beast. It's hard to drive.
It'll paint the road black.
Oh yeah. And when it shifts, it just wants to go wherever it wants. And you can set the shift package on it.
Say again about the shift package, you said?
Set your shifting parameters.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How you want to shift, what RPM, hits, all that. Wow. Well, that's great. Glad you brought it out. It's too bad the weather scared some people, I know.
Yeah.
Is that a Cadillac? Delray? Oh, it's a Chevy. Wow. Cool. Yeah, I had to take a look. Yeah. Wow, that's ever neat. Hey, thanks. Yeah. Glad to see you get out and go for the drives and stuff. I don't have AC in my car, so I got to pick and choose the days. Right? Today's been great, but I did go for a drive to Springwater up 27 side roads. So I'll look at the map, right? You know the Google map, right? You can tell where you want to go, right? And then it says, well, you can go this way too. It's 4 minutes longer. And I'll be driving, country road, just nice to see, nice scenery. Get off the main drag, and it's pretty cool. This would be great to do too. This car.
Yeah. It's a lovely, this is a lovely, it's basically a sports car. It's not a luxury car.
Yeah. It's cool. Pretty rare that year. So take a look, eh? We gotta check it out. Well, you gotta have this on your car. He's got the what do you call it? The electric switch to go open header. I can see it with this thing. You make a scene around town.
This one has a solenoid that when you hit 3,500 RPM, it opens up and runs through the
Straight through. Wow. Yeah, so this one he has a solenoid on it to go straight out at the side here. Cool. You put a high rise on and you forget to check and see the clearance on the hood and pop. No, I hate that when that happens. Yeah. Oh, he's got another one here. There's a pipe. Del Rey. A couple of boards on the top. Cool. There's the added the reverse lights, but I just like the back of cars, these old cars, the back end of it. Big pipes there. He's got like a tow strap dragging underneath. You can see their fastener. Oh my god, that's so cool, eh? It's ever cool. I like the rustic look. Doesn't bother me at all. Oh, here's the old favorite. Oh, it's looking good. Then we got another buddy. And that fellow on his bike there, I did a cool video of his bike. So yeah, hey, look at that. Clear skies. That's why we're starting to see a few cars coming. It's cool to hear these things run. Hey, they parked the car, it's quiet. These things are rowdy. You gotta be near it to catch the ambiance and the vibe these things emit, to get the real sense of car culture. Oh yeah. Love it. Where's he gonna go? Where am I gonna park? Okay, and then of course, buddy there. Oh, he's gonna park by my car.